and thank you for joining me today. This is the Not Too Shabby monthly hop subscription, and we are sharing subscriptions for the Not Too Shabby shop, and I'm using the Paper Pad Club today. I'm going to be scoring my card base here, and it's really easy. I'm just doing 2 score marks here, and this is going to make me a matchbook card. And it's fun and easy, and I love square cards, and it's just another way to have fun and send a card a different way. So I'm going to be using some pattern papers and the stamp of the month and the cute turtles ephemera. So I will have everything listed down below. I have See You Soon, Playful Prints, Cute Sea Critters stamp set, and I will also use the Ultimate Snow Globe die set for the circle that I'm going to stamp my sentiment in. So I have my papers here. Isn't it pretty for all us purple people? I do love green, but I do love purple too. And look at, you got purple and green in this paper. And so I'm just gluing this paper down, and I think it's just 4x4. This card is again 4 1/4 by 4 1/4 closed, so I think it's just fun, and I kind of just experimented with measuring my strip and my square and for the inside of my card here today. And I liked that I got to use 3 different patterns. You could probably use more if you did a square pattern paper on the back of this card. So I love that. And the stamp set is just so cute. So if you can get the I Want It All, I would do that, because the stamp set is just so cute. I love these images, especially the turtle. It's just so cute. And so I will add my some white cardstock to that pattern paper so that I could write my message on the inside of my card. And so that is, and here is my octopus. I stamped it on purple paper here. I'm coloring with my colored pencils. These are Polychromos, and I thought it was just fun, and it was so fun to color using colored pencils this time. And I'm going to fussy cut that octopus out, which was super easy. And then here are all my elements. I did color some seaweed. I'm going to ink blend with some cracked pistachio distress oxide ink. So this hop today, if you place an order any amount, you can get a $5 gift voucher to the Not Too Shabby shop. Place your order before June 15th midnight at Central Time. Put in the following phrase in the notes area: cute turtles, to qualify for that $5 voucher. So you want to make sure and do that. And yeah, so this is awesome that you get a $5 voucher to use on your order. So so fun for your next order. And I will have the playlist down below, so you can visit everyone participating in the hop today. Everybody has amazing projects, and so we have an Instagram hop as well. So lots and lots of inspiration. And I am going to glue that white piece of cardstock in there and add my elements, and you can place like a post-it note or something to let your recipient know how to open this card if you're not if you want to, but I am going to staple it, but I do stamp in the inside on my white cardstock. I probably should have stamped a little bit above like at the top of my cardstock, but that's okay. I end up taking the staple out and placing it a little bit lower, so it is easier to see where I stamped inside, but it's probably going to my crafty friend, so I'm sure she'll know how to open this card and see where I stamped in the inside, and it's just so much fun. So I loved making this card. I will just glue everything with my liquid glue. and then this card will be done. And you can even stand it on your desk. You can make you can change it around. It's just really easy to make. So I love easy fun cards, and I just love this Paper Pad Club subscription, and I can't wait to see all the projects that everyone else has made as well. How cute is that octopus? So cute. I love him. You can make him different colors. And then I will glue him, and then I will take my VersaFine Clair ink and just stamp 2 more images. And I like that, and I love to stamp images and not color them, like just stamp them for fun. So here is where I said I could have stamped them somewhere else where you could have seen them a little bit better, but I think that's okay. So I'm just going to stamp them there and write a cute little message and send this card on its way. And then I will take my stapler, and there is my matchbook card. And then it's easy just to open it and tuck it back in. So I think it's just cute. And here is where I'll put it on my desk. So thank you for joining me today, and I'll have all the details in the description. And I hope you enjoy the hop. So make sure and check out the subscriptions and have a wonderful day.